By the way, I'm using the, it says it right there, Shure MV88. The Shure MV88. It's tops. So I got this preamp on my out to the amp. I got a pre because the out on the effects is so pro that it's balanced mic level, you know. So like for the finest of active mixers, yeah. For consumer grade shit, it's a weak signal. You need a line, and those line converters don't do it. You need a powered little amp, and that's what I got. Works on 12 volt Rolls MP13, and I'll talk more about it later. And what you're looking at is my busking rig, which is that wooden cart and those little speakers. It's running a cheap little amp, and the Guitalele is a mini guitar that I set up as a dobro. It's got the condenser pickup from Guitar Fetish, and that's a Yamaha GL1. It works great. I've got a Grover nut extender to raise the strings up to make a dobro. So what I did was I wanted to use a consumer grade little digital amp and bookshelf speakers. I pulled it off, but it was a little weak. I'll show you later what it sounded like. But with this little amp, it's boosted it like I need, and it should get plenty loud. I'm about to try out the microphone here in a second. I'll put a link here for the tour of my cart so you can see the components.
Well, it's freaking loud. Down by the riverside, oh, down by the riverside. Well, it's freaking loud into the drink, oh yes it did, oh yes I think it did, oh yeah. Proximity effect, oh. Proximity effect is lessened by this model because they worked on that.
And I'm really happy with the sound. It came out great. It did add up to a little bit of change at the end. I was trying to keep it really bare bones, but I have the TC Helicon Play Acoustic, which is phenomenal. And now with this little preamp and the gain chain, it is boosting it up, and it's a lot of fun. So if I do get back out on the streets soon, I'll be ready. To hear more in the future, please like and subscribe. I do have that tour of the cart, and then I'll do a better video of all the components laid out. And I sing some good covers and originals, so subscribe please if you like this video. Thank you.
Testing. 1, 2, 3, oh yeah.
That's some crazy shit. So it worked. It's coming out of both speakers. Wow.
Fantastic.